Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in this beautiful world. Welcome to my channel. This is I'm Crypto Wolf, where we provide you daily updates on the crypto market and all the opportunities that it provides, such as DeFi, NFTs, airdrops, passive income IDs, and I will be covering all the Cosmos ecosystem airdrops. So make sure to put on your notifications so you don't miss out on all the upcoming videos. Today we are doing a very quick update on the CRESCENT Network Airdrop. I posted this video in the morning, how to claim the CRESCENT Network Airdrop. I made this video yesterday, so now I will show you exactly how you can claim step by step. So first of all, if we come to the Twitter, you will see right here what you've all been waiting for. CRESCENT Network is now live on mainnet. So let's claim our airdrop. Let's click onto CRESCENT Network. Then we click on to launch the app. Alright, first read this disclaimer very closely. Once you have read this, click on I have read and understood. Confirm. Alright, now we're on to the DEX. Let's see what kind of opportunities we can find right here. First of all, we're gonna connect our wallet. Yes, Kepler. Approve. Yes, approve. Alright, we are in Crypto Wolf. Alright, now that we are in, we can see right here our balance of our CRE token is 177. So let's take a look. If we do max and we click on another token, let's say UST stablecoin, how much is this worth? Alright, the airdrop is $124, but this is not my full airdrop. So let's click onto airdrop. This is the first step you should do. Click onto this and then you will see your progress. I have claimed 20% of my full airdrop. So for now, I still have to do these missions to claim my full airdrop. So make sure to do this. First of all, we're gonna liquid stake our CRE. Click onto stake. Now let's take a look what it says. 42%. That's really nice. That's a very good EPR. So we can click. I'm just going to do a small amount just to test it and to claim my mission. I will do 100. No, I'm going to do 100. That's better. I'm not going to sell this one. I really believe that they are going to have a price pump. I think they can build something great in the future. So I'm just going to stake 100 tokens and I will maybe stake my full amount after I claim my other missions. So first of all, let's do this. Click stake. If you're having a ledger, you will need to approve that also into your ledger. What I'm doing currently. Alright, approved. Once this is approved, you should be staking your CRE. And you can see it's in BCRE. So the moment you stake, alright, success airdrop claim. So if you now go back and click back onto airdrop, you can also see if you stake 100 CRE, it changes into BCRE if you're staking. Alright, so keep that in mind. Don't worry if you see this. Click onto airdrop again. Then we need to swap on the CRESCENT DEX and then we will receive another 20%. So let's click onto swap. Alright, we just have claimed another. So let's swap it for some USD. Why not? Just swap one CRE. I'm not gonna sell this one. No pool for this pair. So there's no pool for this pair. Let's try another pair. Luna, no. Atom, no. Alright, we can swap for BRE. So let's do that. Click onto swap. Approve. Confirming into ledger right now. I had no time to edit this video, so I hope you appreciate the content. I hope you appreciate the value. If you do, make sure to leave a like. Alright, this is approved. Also, normally, yes, approved. Alright. Yes, now click back onto airdrop. Swap on CRESCENT DEX is still not working. All right, click back onto swap. Let me try something else. Let me try. All right, it took some time. Now it worked. You can see airdrop claim. So go back to airdrop. So if you want to swap, you're going to see you can only swap CRE for BCRE. These are not available. This is the only available pair. So make sure to use that one if you're stuck. All right, close that one. Go back to airdrop. Provide liquidity to BCRE pool 20% again to claim. So let's do that. Let's click on to farm. You can see also you can click right here, but we can also click here. But I'm just going to do this. It's the easiest. All right. Now we have this farming pools. We have the EPRs right here. I'm having now BCRE. So I'm going to take this one. You can see this also the max. This also have the most liquidity. So I'm going to put some liquidity right away here. Click on to manage. You can see my balance right here. We can do max balance. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to do a small amount. I'm not going to provide liquidity immediately. All right, something that I just noticed, I didn't watch it when I clicked on to stake. They have also liquid staking. So you can see right now, if you click on to stake, I'm staking. If we click unstake, you will see I'm staking 100 BCRE. And I can also farm in the liquidity pool, so I will receive plus 20% on my staking. So this is really interesting. So I click manage, I will do the full amount. I didn't know this. Full amount, deposit. It's very interesting in the beginning of launching of a mainnet, a new DEX, that it's very interesting to then start providing liquidity, start staking, start using the swap. Why? Because they will do some incentives to reward the early adopters, the early users. So that's a really good thing to know. Just approve this into my ledger. All right. It's just now confirming success broadcast. Just wait a bit more. Waiting. Come on. All right, let's go. So this is deposited successfully and our airdrop claim. So we claim the fourth mission. Close this. Here you will see our reward distribution is in 12 hours and 47 minutes. All right. Here you will see your claimable rewards. You can click on to manage and then you can withdraw. You can farm even more if you want. So now that we have added the liquidity, we also need to click on to farm and provide this. This is our pool token and this we will farm. All right, click on to farm, approve, confirming right now. Approved. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. Success broadcast. Just wait a couple of seconds. All right, I'm farming my 100 tokens. So close this right now. This is my balance right now that I have. Here you can see my claimable rewards. If you click on to manage, what do we see? Manage. Let's do a refresh to be sure. All right, once we have refresh, we can see we cannot farm anymore. Everything is how it should be. So these are the steps you need to do. Then you can start claiming your rewards and you have claimed the fourth mission of the airdrop. And now the last mission of today, vote on a governance proposal. This is very important to watch because a lot of ecosystems, a lot of networks, they have governance proposals. And if you vote on them, you can receive upcoming airdrop bonuses. There's a lot going on for people who are doing voting on governance proposal. Like you had the Nita airdrop. If you have voted on a Geno proposal, you would receive extra bonus of 10 Nata. On that moment, that was $20,000. So make sure to always vote on a governance proposal. Click on to vote. This is what I also really like about the Cosmos ecosystem. If they give an airdrop, they will make sure to let their users complete 4 to 5 missions so they know how everything works from the DeFi side. And other ecosystems, I don't see this much. This is why I'm bullish on the Cosmos ecosystem. If you are also bullish on the Cosmos ecosystem, leave a comment, leave a like. If you appreciate the value, subscribe to my channel. All right, let's get into the 5th mission of today. So if we look at the two proposals that are now in the voting period, we can see the first one. Click onto that. Click onto this button. This will take you to the voting period page. We will see 90% voted yes, 0.06 no, 0.06 no with veto, abstain 0.15. All right, I'm gonna vote. But first, let me take a look. This governance proposal is to obtain a general approval from the Crescent community about implementation of the team's proposed direction and architectural decision making structure that will guide Crescent maturity as a safe, functional, and innovative DeFi hub. Details of the proposal can be found at Ipar's link. All right, let's just click vote. Yes. You need to confirm this into your Kepler. All right. Now, confirming into your ledger. I'm really excited about this airdrop. I think this DEX is going to be really good for early adopters, early users to earn some extra rewards on your airdrop. Approved into ledger. All right. It's loading a bit. Success broadcast. Let's go. All right, we have successfully voted yes. So we can see right here, if we refresh the page, you will see voted yes. All right, now click onto this one. I'm gonna do that also. I'm recommending everyone start voting on governance proposal in every ecosystem network that you're in. This is very important. You have a vote, you can decide also, so make sure to do that. Make sure to use your voice. Do that. It's very important for the community building. All right, this proposal is to activate LP farming rewards on... Yeah, of course, we have to activate that. Click yes, vote yes. Click approve, confirm into ledger. If you don't have a ledger, I have a link in my description. If you use that, you're supporting the channel. Thank you very much. Approved, all right. Now loading a bit. This will be like the previous one. Give it some time. It will take 30 seconds, 20 seconds, something like that. All right, success broadcast. Now you have to wait another 10 seconds, 15 seconds, and then it will be successful. All right, that was more quick. Success, voted yes. All right, go back. No, yes, voted. Go back to the airdrop. Now I have claimed my full amount, 886 CRE. All right, now let's go to swap. We have 600 left. Do max. Do USD. All right, this airdrop is $500, $800. Boom, boom, boom. Let's say this is an airdrop for me around $600, $700. So this is very nice. This is what I mean. Go and stake your Atom. Do this right away. If you don't have Atom already, make sure to go buy some. These are really good prices at this moment, but there's no financial advice. Also, Geno, Osmosis, really good opportunities to start buying some and to start staking them and to receive upcoming airdrops like this one. All right, and you can see it. You receive an airdrop, but with that airdrop, you can even stake it, put it into liquidity, and you're earning money onto your free money airdrop. This is what crypto is about. If you like what you see, put on your notifications and don't miss out all the upcoming videos because I will keep dropping high value content and I will keep providing everything you need to know about crypto. I got your back, fam. I got your back. I hope to see you into the next one. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.